Sharing is caring. When you share something or divide something, there is lot of mathematics behind it. Example, you have a pizza that you have to divide it into equal parts with your friend A. How will you do? Both of you will get one part out of two parts of pizza, or each one will get 1/2 parts.
Sure.
Now, if you want to share the same pizza with your friend A, B, C, how will you do? Each one of you will get one part out of 4 of pizza, or each one will get 1/4 part.
Chart.
Number in this form are known as the fraction. Now, what are fraction? Number which are written in the form of A upon B. As we can see, fraction has two parts. First, on top, and second, on bottom. Top part is known as the numerator and the bottom part is known as the denominator. Denominator is the total equal of parts in which whole is divided. Numerator is the number of part which has been taken out or left out.
Start.
As I earlier said, that fraction is in the form of A upon B when B should not be equals to 0. But why? Why B should not be equals to 0? Because if it is equals to 0, the fraction will not be defined, as we cannot divide anything by 0.
Start.
Can you show fraction in these figure? Yes, you can show fraction in this figure. Now, can you show fraction in this figure? No, you can't show fraction in this figure. Even you can't show fraction in this figure. But why? Because this figure is not divided into equal parts. If we divide this figure in this part, like this, then we can write the fraction for this, 1/2. And similarly, in this figure, if it is divided like this or like this, you can write the fraction of this figure also.
Start.
Let's learn more about fraction. Decimal fractions. The fraction which have their denominator as 10, 100, 1000 and so on are known as the decimal fractions. All examples till yet we have saw are examples of proper fractions. Now, what are proper fractions? They are the fraction in which numerator is smaller than the denominator. For example, we have 1/3, 5/6, 11/20, etc. Now, improper fractions. Nothing is basically improper about these fractions. They are just called as improper fraction, in which numerator is always greater than the denominator, like 5/2, 6/5, 13/3, etc. Now, what is the difference between the proper fraction and the improper fraction? When we perform a normal division, for example, 1/5, when you are going to divide like this, then your answer will be always less than 1. Your answer should always be less than 1. But in case of improper fraction, when you are going to perform the division like this, then you will be having your answer more than 1. So, in case of proper fraction, your answer will be always less than 1. In case of improper fraction, your answer will be always more than 1. Improper fraction can be also written in different manner. For example, in this case, we are going to write like this. This is called the mixed fraction. In case of mixed fraction, this is being written like this. Now, This is what mixed fractions are. This was the introduction for chapter. This was the introduction for chapter fractions. Hope you liked the video. For any queries, you may leave the message in comment box. Happy learning.